Cat trees are more than just toys or a place to sleep for a cat, but it actually gives them a host of health benefits. Many cats use height as a means of safety from risks and potential predators, whether that's other cats, animals, or humans. Trees also give them more places to climb and exercise their bodies and scratch their nails. There are many products available to choose the best cat trees for your cat, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cat trees for your cat from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yahidic 36 inches cat tower scratching posts with a multi-tiered design that caters to your cat's every whim. This tower combines quality and durability for an inviting and cozy space. The inclusion of sisal ropes, metal, paper tubes, and particle board ensures not only a sturdy structure, but also a playground that can withstand hours of playtime. This multi-level tower isn't just about design, it's an experience. With 2 scratching posts and a sisal-covered scratching board, your cat is invited into a world of scratching excitement that's gentle on your furniture. The plush cat house boasts a high-edged perch adorned with a furry ball, 2 condos with 2 doors each, and additional scratching posts and boards for endless amusement. The tower is enveloped in plush of a simple color, blending seamlessly with your interior decor, making it a stylish addition to your home. Number 2. Yahidic 40-inch cat condo cat tree cat tower. Let your feline companion revel in a world of endless play and relaxation with the Yahidic 40-inch cat tower. This cat tower is designed to cater to every aspect of your cat's needs, providing an array of features that enhance both playtime and nap time. The multiple tiers and structures create an enticing playground for your kitty to explore, ensuring hours of joyful amusement. The Yahidic cat tower goes beyond just fun and comfort. It incorporates a scratching board and 4 scratching posts, serving as an enticing solution for your kitty's natural instinct to sharpen its claws. Say goodbye to concerns about your furniture becoming a scratching target. Moreover, the tower comes with a convenient strap that can be fastened to a wall, enhancing stability and safety for your frisky feline's adventures. Designed with both plush covering and sisal ropes, this cat tower achieves the perfect balance between luxury and function. The plush covering offers a soft and inviting texture for lounging, while the sisal ropes provide an ideal surface for scratching and play. The Yahidic 40-inch cat tower is the perfect playground for every part of your cat's enjoyment, whether it's a warm spot to curl up in or an exciting scratching post. Number 3. Trixie Inola modern wooden tower 31-inch cat scratching post. Sisal wrapped poles provide infinite scratching pleasure, keeping your cat's claws engaged while protecting your furnishings. The wooden structure emits a sleek elegance that blends well with your modern design, making it a natural addition to your living area. Plush mats thoughtfully placed throughout the tower not only enhance your cat's grip, but also provide a cozy haven for lounging and relaxation. The tower boasts a snug condo with a soft interior, giving your furry friend a sense of security and warmth. Whether your cat seeks solitude within the condo, a high perch, or stimulating playtime, the Inola tower caters to all her desires. The elevated surface serves as a prime vantage point for observing her kingdom, while the dangling toy adds a dose of interactive entertainment. Number 4. Nikoichi Cat Scratcher Tower. With its ingenious design, this tower offers multiple levels for your cat to explore, providing both comfort and entertainment. The scratcher bowl pads, designed to be reversible and refillable, not only ensure endless hours of scratching pleasure, but also cleverly save space. The brilliance of this tower lies in its holistic approach. The entire structure transforms into a scratching pad, allowing your cat to indulge its natural instincts while keeping furniture unscathed. Aside from its functional appeal, the Nikoichi Cat Scratcher Tower has a warm and sophisticated wood panel design that will go well with any home decor. It is made of high-quality cardboard and strikes the perfect mix between durability and environmental friendliness. Your feline companion's contentment and well-being are at the forefront of this design, offering a cozy bowl for lounging and an enticing scratcher that's sure to captivate even the most discerning of cats. Number 5. MQ47.3 in Cat Tree Tower. This structure is made with naturally sisal-covered rope, which tells a story of resilience. The natural sisal rope wrapping ensures that it is resistant to vigorous scratching, making it an ideal haven for your lively kittens to satisfy their scratching desires. Embracing safety and stability, the tower features a CARB-certified P2 grade particle board at its core. Simplicity meets efficiency with the MQ Cat Tree Tower. Assembled with stainless steel assembly fittings, the tower arrives with all the essential tools and accessories. With user convenience in mind, even those without extensive DE skills can effortlessly install it. That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.